In a world filled with danger and uncertainty, it is no surprise that some individuals require more protection than others. From world leaders to celebrities, certain individuals have a higher risk of being targeted by threats such as terrorism, kidnapping, and assassination attempts. That's why personal protection is so important to the rich and famous, who often invest heavily in their security details. But who has the biggest group of security guards and who spends the most on keeping themselves and their families safe? In this video, we will talk about the most protected people in the world that cannot be overruled. Let's start countdown. Number 5. Mohammed bin Salman. Mohammed bin Salman is the king of Saudi Arabia. He is running a strong political and economic administration. Mohammed bin Salman and his family are counted in the list of world famous and rich families. He is the most important personality in the country, yet highly protected. There is no doubt that Salman has one of the formidable security structures in the world. In Crown Prince security, there were 1,000 people present, in which there is not just only army, but as well as there is advanced cyber security team also. In past 2 years, Crown Prince spends $20 billion on his security. From detectives to personal guards are always with him both on local and international trips. He is a man known for luxury things. This is very obvious in the fleet of cars he has. Number 4. Kim Jong-un. Kim Jong is the supreme leader of North Korea. He is always accompanied with highly trained bodyguards. He is not the only most protected leader in the world, but his defense strategy cannot be overlooked. His vehicles are fully equipped with every protective system that could be in a car. Even on trips outside the country, Kim is always with his security officers. His team comprises of 12 highly trained martial artists who jogs alongside his limo whenever he travels. He also have over 100,000 soldiers for his protection. The command leaves nothing to chance when it comes to their leader's safety, managing security training, vetting and staffing, and have to meet strict physical criteria, including a height requirement. The unit, known as the Supreme Guard Command, ensures that Kim Jong-un is tightly protected. North Korean Supreme Leader Kim Jong-un is the most protected dictator in the world. Number 3. Xi Jinping. Xi Jinping is the president of China. He is one of the most powerful and important leaders in the world. His safety as the paramount leader of the Republic of China is very crucial, with Xi Jinping having an estimated 5,000 security guards at his disposal. Jinping goes around in armored vehicles majorly made in the country. These cars usually come with a defense system with a high-tech communication support system. The Chinese government is looked after by the secretive Central Security Bureau, which makes use of helicopters and drone technology to secure locations days in advance of Xi Jinping arrival, with a separate team dedicated solely to preventing cybersecurity threats. President Xi Jinping residences are heavily fortified to prevent unauthorized access. They are equipped with security systems, guards, and other measures to ensure his safety even while he is at home. President Xi Jinping's security is a top priority for the Chinese government, with extensive measures in place to safeguard him from any threats. These measures encompass advanced technology, highly trained personnel, and strategic planning to ensure his safety in all situations. Number 2. Donald Trump, former President of United States of America. If we talk about Donald Trump politics, so it may not be wrong that due to their politics, he made so much enemies for himself, and that's why he is more in danger than before. For Trump security, there is a separate army in which there is 1,000 officers present. In former president protocol, there is a quick response team and a unit which are 24/7 hours available to protect Trump from nuclear weapons or chemical weapons. Beside these, in Trump security protocol, there is also a Marine One helicopter. This all army 24 hours with Trump to protect him from any type of danger. And the aeroplane which Donald Trump are using for flights is the most protecting aeroplane in the world. And recently Trump spent $16 million on one of their car for protection, in which there is bulletproof glasses, and as well as emergency blood supply, emergency oxygen supply, and other all those things are present in this car, which are available in advanced technology hospitals. Number 1. Vladimir Putin. Vladimir Putin is Russian president, regarded as one of the most famous world leaders for decades now. Vladimir Putin is the most protected person in the world, with over 3,000 special security agents that protect him wherever he goes. Putin's cars are not regular automobiles you see around. They are bulletproof cars with hybrid engines and oxygen. These are cars that can withstand bombs, smoke, and vandalism. Putin also moves with fully kitted police officers, usually on power bikes. Putin is surrounded by the Federal Protective Service, FSO, a secretive security detail with no publicly available data about their operations. Given Putin's controversial figure and the media attention surrounding him, his protection is of paramount importance. Former Former bodyguards who have shown loyalty to Putin have gained significant power and wealth. The FSO ensures that Putin receives the highest level of protection available, making him one of the most secure individuals in the world. The Putin's bodyguards are hand-picked for qualities that include operational psychology, physical stamina, and the ability to withstand cold and not sweat in heat. They're reportedly outfitted with special briefcases that serve as shields to protect Putin and carry Russian-made 9mm SR-1 Vector pistols loaded with armor-piercing bullets. In 2018, one bodyguard was recorded intervening when famed mixed martial artist Conor McGregor threw his arm around Putin's shoulders as they posed for cameras at the World Cup Soccer Championship in Moscow. A video posted on YouTube shows the man briefly stepping into view to fix McGregor with a steely gaze and gesture him to stop, prompting the fighter to quickly remove his arm and sheepishly fold his hands together. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe my channel for more interesting facts related, because I'm doing so much struggle for making videos and also managing my studies because I'm a student. So show me your support in the comment below. Stay tuned for more interesting videos and thanks for watching.